So in the fee help case that I'm going to run on my own circumstances to claim indexation as a tax deduction, there's three categories that may be deductible, maybe not. That's because I have 3 degrees. I have a Bachelor of Laws, a Bachelor of Arts, and I've started a Masters of Laws, specifically in tax law. The third one I want to talk about, the Masters of Laws. So the units I've done so far have all been very specific tax-related units offered by the University of Sydney. Those course fees were deductible for me already. So I've already claimed that deduction for the fees themselves, and I put the expense on fee help. Just because the expense went on fee help doesn't mean it's not deductible for me, because I've incurred the amount and taken on a government loan to pay it. But the question is the indexation. Is that indexation of those amounts tax deductible? I think it's pretty clear that yes, they are, because that's a loan I took out to pay an expense. That interest, indexation, whatever you want to call it, is an expense related to that original thing that I used the loan for. To add a bit more to it, this is from the ATO's latest ruling on self-education expenses, taxation ruling 2024/3. This is example 26. You can go and read it here. I'll move myself out of the way. But it's remarkably similar to my own circumstances. There's only some slight differences. The 10,000 borrowed by Christine, the employee solicitor, I took out on a fee help government loan, repayable over the period that I have to earn income that repays it. I incur indexation on each of those years, and I continue my employment in that 3-year period. Christine is allowed a deduction for the $1,000 of interest because there is a connection between the interest expense and her current income earning activity. The only criticism that I can think of for this is, well, indexation is not interest. And the response to that will be, well, it doesn't matter. Because there's no specific interest deduction expense thing. It's all just, does it fall in the general deduction provision, which is section 8-1, which applies to expenses more broadly than just interest. So I'm pretty confident on that argument in general. The other two I might explain another time.